Welcome back here on Live Impact News on WCNC Plus. I'm Nick Sturdivant. We've been getting updates with everything that's going on in the Northeast. They are slammed with a major snowstorm there, blizzard conditions. We want to check in Connecticut. Erin Coogan from Fox 61, our content partners there in Connecticut. Erin, hopefully you're staying safe and as warm as you can be. Update us on things there.
Yeah, well, Nick, I am definitely envious of your low 40-degree temperatures today because we are standing in a winter wonderland once again. We saw the brunt of it early this morning, so these are the best conditions that we've seen today, but we're still talking about a foot and a half of snow. This is the accumulation. It's not that light puffy stuff that we saw a couple weeks ago in that snowstorm. This is that really dense, heavy stuff. So hopefully if the snow stops, the biggest issue we're going to be facing is wind and that being picked up and throwing it all over the place. But yeah, basically crews right now are focusing on the dig out, and that's going to be especially difficult with wind gusts up to 35, 50 miles per hour throughout the day. So, you know, they're trying to keep up, but you can do as much as you can do. Again, we are here in New Haven. It's along the southern coastline here in Connecticut. Today, all of schools are out for New Haven. And, you know, with conditions like this, you have to think, what's that going to look like tomorrow? What's that going to look like for the rest of this week when we just had this major snowstorm a couple weeks ago, and this is just adding on top of that. So, you know, we're braving the storm. This is the best we're going to see today in terms of winds, no snow, and I hope it stays that way. But yeah, we're dealing, and it'll be all right. We've seen worse. So that's all I got from the southern coastline. I'm going to send it back to you inside nice and warm and toasty.
Look, Erin, I'm not even going to hold you up because I know it's cold out there. I'm going to let you get back to some sort of warmth. Erin Coogan, Fox 61 with an update over there in Connecticut. Thank you for your time. Be safe out there.
Thank you.